This is DOOGEE T10, and today I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I will demonstrate that you can enable and use the night light feature, so launch settings, then open the display category, and in here just go for the eye comfort mode. Turn on the switch, and as you can see, once enabled, it warms up the interface colors, and it achieves so by, tinting the screen amber, which basically what it does is filters out the excess amounts of blue light, which respectively decreases the extent to which your eyes are getting tired from looking at the screen for too long or for an extensive period of times, and prevents the eye fatigue. In here, you can not only manually enable or disable this feature as well as adjust its intensity. You can also set automated schedule for this feature to be enabled and disabled, automatically. Alrighty, so the next option for today is the change in system navigation type. So as you could have already noticed, I've been using the gestures, but you can always set its type to be 3 digital buttons. In order to do that, open System category of settings, go for gestures, and then obviously system navigation. In here, select the 3-button navigation, and here you have it. The next tip that I have is how you can show the battery percentage at the status bar over here. So as you can see right now, it is not shown. So get back to the main settings page or open the settings, then go for battery, and in here toggle on the battery percentage switch. And as you can see, the battery percentage digits appear right next to the battery icon itself. The next feature is how you can declutter your storage and improve the system performance a little, or rather get rid of lags, glitches, and other things that might be caused through the overflown storage. So in order to clear your storage and remove all junk and trash files from it, you will need to open the storage category of settings, then go for the free up space, and in here tap at the clean button. Clear the storage, and here you have it. And final tip that I have is how you can extend or increase the RAM amount you have on this tablet. In order to do that, launch settings one more time, then open the RAM expand category, and in here switch on this toggle by tapping on it. So once it is blue, this feature is active. And important thing to know is that in order for this feature to take effect or to be applied, you will have to reboot your tablet, which you can very easily do by holding the power button and then choosing the restart option from the menu. And as I've already mentioned, once the tablet or the device will get rebooted, you'll get additional 7 GB of random access memory. Virtual, but still, better than nothing. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!